Well, good afternoon, Heavy Duty Motorcycles in Mansfield. Sorry for the croaky voice, just getting over a bout of man flu. Thought you might be interested in seeing this bike we've just finished working on for a customer. It's a 2021 Fat Bob, and what it's been in for is both engine work and some cosmetic work, which has really transformed the bike both in performance but also in looks. First of all, to the engine, we've had this S&S 128 kit installed, and then obviously these Freedom Combat Shorty 2-in-1s, and also this beautiful, I've not seen one of these before, this beautiful clear see-through Arlen Ness air filter. And then we've tuned it with our in-house Diag for bike tuning dongle, and got it to, I guess, pretty much 99% tuned, taken the speed limiter off and got it running really nice. Been out for test ride on it yesterday. This is the increase in power is phenomenal. What we've said to the customer is do 500, maybe 1,000 miles on it, and then we'll put it on the dyno once it's really run in, and we'll fine tune it and make sure that it's smooth right the way through the gears. In terms of cosmetics, the big change is we've taken off the horrible back bracket that these new Fat Bobs have on them, and replaced the whole setup, as you can see here, with this unit from Cultwerk, and it's a license plate holder. There you go. There's the indicator. Can you just do the brake? Just do the brake as well. There's a brake light, all LED, and so you've got the combined, you've got all the light functions within that unit, and a nice little plate holder. And then obviously that meant we've had to do some fabrication on like the fender struts, one or two other things. Well, it's just some nice touches, some nice Arlen Ness grips, much better than the stock ones. We've got the little LED indicators there on the front. What else have we done? Oh yeah, some parts. This customer's quite big on blacking things out. So there's been some powder coating going on. We replaced this shifter rod here with a nice contrast cut Arlen Ness one. I think that's about it, isn't it?
Just the noise, mate.
It's just the noise. So Frankie, the customer's going to start it up for us, and we'll see if we can capture the sound. So there you have it. It's, as I say, both a performance upgrade and also a real change in the cosmetics. It was always a beautiful looking bike at the front end, but now the rear end matches it, and I think it's really come together nicely. One of the best bikes we worked on, I would say. So I'm looking forward to getting on the dyno, get some performance figures out of it. So anyway, I'm going to put him on the spot. What do you think, Frankie?
I just can't sing your guys' praises enough. Honestly, it's absolutely phenomenal. Can't wait to ride it. But the guys at Heavy Duty Motorcycles, I can't sing their praises enough. They're really the guys to look after you for your bike. From start to finish, they've just been a brilliant help. So thank you very much, guys.
You're really welcome, Frankie. And I think we did discuss this, we're holding off for the moment, but I think the next necessary upgrade is probably going to be some new brakes. And maybe change these rather strange tyres that they've put on these Fat Bobs. But anyway, it's a shame we're near the end of the season, so not too many opportunities to really kind of take it out and thrash it, but it'll all be ready for next year. Okay, Heavy Duty Motorcycles signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.